you guys? Just Salter here to teach you a classic from the 90s. One of my favorite songs by DishWalla, Counting Blue Cars, on a blue guitar. No, I'm just kidding. So it's going to start with a B minor. So I'll break it down for people that know the chords first, and then for the people that don't know the chords, I'll break it down even further. But it's going to be B minor for the verse, A sus to the G major, and then the chorus is going to be D major to E major to G major. Just going to go right into the chorus. Back into the verse. So for people that don't know what B minor is, it's going to be pointer finger on the 2nd fret A string, and you're going to mute this E string with the tip of your piece of your skin there. So you barely touch it to mute it, so it sounds dead like that. Anyway, so it's going to be B, perfect 5th above that, which is your ring finger on the 4th fret D string, and then your pinky finger on the 4th fret G string, and then your middle finger on the 3rd fret B string, and then you just let the high E ring out. So it's going to sound like this. And then for certain songs, you'll want to bar the whole thing by laying down this finger across all the strings. But in this case, they just ring it out. So it's just these 5 strings here, because that low E is muted with the tip of this piece of skin here of your finger. So it's just these 5 strings. Just practice getting those clean. And then A sus2, if you go to my very first guitar lesson I ever teach you, it's that 2nd chord that I taught you in that video. My first video, I teach you E minor to A sus, which is this same thing. You're going to use your thumb to mute this low E. So you just let your skin barely touch this low E by wrapping around there like that. And then A rings out. And then if you go back to my other video, you know that your pointer finger goes on the 2nd fret D string, your middle finger goes on the 2nd fret G string, and then everything else rings out. So it's just sound like this. Just these 5 strings to the G major, which I also have another video on the G chord. So middle finger on the 3rd fret E string. You mute this with the piece of your skin here, so your skin is barely reaching over to touch the A to mute that, and then everything else rings out. And then you put your ring finger on the 3rd fret B string and your pinky finger on the 3rd fret E string. So it should sound like this. It's G major. So that's all these 5 strings. So the A is muted. It should sound muted like that. So it's. So there's that. The chorus. And I have another video on the D major chord, which is these 4 strings. This is the D string, open. And then your pointer finger on the 2nd fret G string, your ring finger on the 3rd fret B string, and then your middle finger on the 2nd fret E string. Should sound like this. Just these 4 notes. You don't hit these. You don't hit the E and the A string. You just hit these bottom 4 strings. To E major, which I taught you in another video previously. I have a whole beginner series of playlist for you. If you go back on my channel and click on playlists, you can check out all my beginner stuff. To E major. So, like I said, that rings out. Middle finger, 2nd fret A string. Ring finger, D string, 2nd fret. And then your pointer finger goes on the 1st fret G string, just like that. And then everything else rings out. All 6 strings ring out. And then to the G. See if I can hit the high note. Tell me all your thoughts of love. Ask her who we are. Tell me all your thoughts of God. Really like to see her. Ask her who we are. And he does this little cool thing at the end. Which I could teach you in another video, the lead part. But or you can hit me up. I do private lessons on Zoom. First lesson's $20. Second lesson's $30. It's basically $1 a minute. $30 for 30 minutes. Or you can just book however many minutes you want. So if you want 20 minutes, it's $20. But yeah, you can hit me up on Instagram. It's at Justin Salter for that. Leave a comment below on what song you'd like to learn next, because I got I got a short list of 2 also classic 90s songs that I love, and stick around for what those will be. I have a list written down, and I think you'll enjoy them both. They're easy, they're fun, and they're just amazing songs. And one brought a tear to my eye last night learning it. But tell me all your thoughts of God. Yeah, I can see her. Ask her who we are. Tell me all your thoughts of God. Yeah, I can see her. Ask her. Must have been late afternoon. I could tell how far. So cool. Tell me all your thoughts on God. And I can be out. Ask her who we are. Anyway, love those chords. Peace and love. Stick around. I think I did Comfortably Numb. Did I do? No, I did Wish You Were Here, so I have to do Comfortably Numb by Pink Floyd, because it's also the same chords. The B minor to the A sus. Anyway, peace and love, guys. Shout out, leave a comment, like, share, subscribe, and hit me up for a private lesson. Bye.